Alright guys, so today we will be simplifying polynomials. So poly means many. So we're simplifying many terms. Notice that they don't have equal signs on them because we're simplifying and we're not solving for anything. We're just combining like terms and grouping together. So like on number 1, remember you can only combine if they are like terms, and like terms have the same letter and the same exponent. So although the first two have the same letter, the exponents are different, so they are not like terms. So the letter and the number are kind of like a name, and we want to keep those together. Or think about it like a color. Like this is an orange, and I have to match my orange with my other orange, and my green with my green. My greens don't go with my orange. So think about it like that. So we're going to combine these guys first. So I have 7x squareds, and I also have a positive 4x squareds. That gives me a total of 11x squareds. And then I have negative 5x cubes and negative 7x cubes. So that is a total of negative, 12x cubes? Oops. Okay, but here's the deal. So for these, we need to write these in descending order. So descending order is the highest exponent going first, and then the lower exponents over to like no exponents on the right-hand side. So this will not count as a correct answer. In order to write this correctly, you would have to put this x cubed out in front. So negative 12x cubed, and then the x squared behind it. So plus 11x squared, and this would be your final answer. Now, sometimes you have a little operation to do, a little distribution, with your simplifying. So my suggestion is to simplify first, and if you cannot simplify, then to distribute and then simplify again. So I have this cute little invisible negative 1 out in front. I'm going to keep my 7 and my 3m, and now I have negative 1 minus 8m, so I think about my like terms. So my like terms are my 7 and my negative 1. And I have a positive 3m and a negative 8m. So since my m's have an actual number or a letter, we're going to go first. So 3 minus 8 is negative 5m's, and then 7 minus 1 goes next at a positive 6. So this is descending order with the variable that has the highest variable letter goes first. And if you have more than one letter, it's a little bit different, but we are only doing one letter, so it's totally fine. Same thing happens on number 5. You're just kind of combining like terms. Number 7 can get a little bit trickier, but if I look inside of my parentheses, I can't do anything, so I'm just going to start with distributing. Now you have to make sure you distribute to everything, so the negative 5 goes to all 3 pieces, and the negative 6 goes to both pieces. So negative 5 times 5m cubed is negative 25m cubed. Negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. Negative 5 times negative 3m to the 4th is positive 15m to the 4th. And then 6 times m cubed is 6m cubed. And 6 times 6m to the 4th is 36m to the 4th. Okay, now my highest exponent is my 4. So they're going to go first. So 15 and 36 add together, and they make, oh heavens, I just wanted to make sure, 51. So I've got 51m to the 4th. So I've used that guy and I've used that guy. And then I have negative 25 and a positive 6, and that gives me negative 19m cubed. And so I've used that guy, and I used that guy, so the only thing left over is negative 25. Again, this is descending order because my highest exponent is first, leaving my letters without, or my numbers without letters at the end. So this is the process. It just gets a little bit more complicated as you get more distributions. So like on 13, you have lots of distribution here, but you just have to be really careful. It's not any trickier than the front side. The same thing on like 15 and 16, they look really long, but again, we're combining like terms. So combine like terms. That's what you want to do first. And then we should distribute. Or if you can't do 1 and 2, then distribute and then combine like terms. which you might have to like you might skip this first combine like terms and then distribute and combine like terms again, or you might not have a distribute, so you're just combining like terms. Okay, and then you definitely want to write your answer in descending order. So like 5x to the 4th over here, and then all this business, and then like 20 over here. So the highest exponent, no exponent. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye, guys.